In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to restore Facebook deleted messages. So this process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. So on your phone, first of all, open the Messenger app and log into the account. Then tap on menu and tap on settings. In Messenger settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on account center. In account center, you have to scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. In here, you will find this option, download your information, just tap on that. And now, download your information, tap on download and select the Facebook account. And tap on next. And here, how much information do you want? Select specific types of information. Now, you have to scroll down and find out messages. Select only messages from here. And then scroll down. Make sure to uncheck all of these options. Just select only messages and tap on next. And now, what do you want to do with your information? Just select download to device. And now tap on date range. And here, select a date range to recover your deleted message. I'm selecting here last 6 months and tap on save. Tap on notify and here add or select a Google account to get notified when your file is ready to download. Then tap on format and here select HTML and tap on media quality. And if you want to restore all of your messages, media with high quality, select here high quality. Then tap on create files. And we can see my information is being prepared for download. So it may take up to 3 to 5 hours to get the download file here. Once the download file is ready, you get a notification on your Facebook, you get a notification on the Gmail address that you added. Also, you can just come back to these settings to get the download file under this current activity option. So just tap on download and download the file and unzip the folder, and then you'll be able to see all of your deleted Facebook messages in the file. Thanks for watching.